I will be demonstrating how to make chocolate chip cookies from a recipe I found on Betty Crocker. First, we should collect our ingredients. We have 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of butter, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 2 1/4 cup of flour, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. First, we will mix our sugars, butter, egg, and vanilla extract in the bowl. Before you mix these ingredients together, you want to preheat your oven to 375 degrees, which I have already done. And you will mix these ingredients together on with an electric mixer on a medium speed until mixed all together. Once you've mixed in all your sugar, your butter, your egg, and your vanilla extract, we're going to stir in our flour, our salt, and our baking soda. After we poured in our flour, baking soda, and salt, your mixture should look like this. And now we're going to use this to stir it and mix it together. Now that we've mixed together all of our ingredients, we are going to add the final step in the preparing process, which is the chocolate chips. And you will need to use the 12-ounce bag full of chocolate chips. And so we'll pour it in. And then once the whole bag of chocolate chips is added, we'll start to stir it. Once we combine the chocolate chips into the dough, I've begun to put them onto the cookie sheet. And it's okay to use your hands as long as you've washed your hands, which I have. And so now we're trying to put them into balls. It can be any preferred size. So I'm doing this size. Now that we've put all the cookies onto the cookie tray, we're going to put it into the oven. And the recipe calls for the cookies to be in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes. And we're gonna do 9 minutes just to be safe. And then, now that the oven has beeped, we're going to take out the cookies. And they ended up staying in longer than 9 minutes. For a total of about 15 to 16 minutes, so a little bit longer than we expected. So now we are going to take them off of the cookie sheet and put them onto the plate so they are able to cool. Because if they stay on the tray for a little bit longer, they'll continue to cook, and we don't want them to get too overcooked so they become hard.